Good morning, guys. Saturday today, 7:20, and we are on our way to Van Horn, Texas. And we just arrived at Desert Willow RV Park. $14 with Passport America, full of cups. Can't complain, clean showers and free Wi-Fi. Yeah, long day. Let's get dinner ready and catch you guys in the morning. Hey, good morning, guys. So it's about what, 7 in the morning, 7:30, and we're on our way to St. David, Arizona. We got a nice early morning start, and see you when it gets brighter outside, because it's still a little dark.
That we're going to get to Texas Canyon today. So this was right off of the on-ramp off of Highway 10 westbound, exit 318. And I mean, it's not private property, it's not blocked off or anything, so at least we got to get a little bit of a view of the rock. San Pedro. So we are going to do an easy hike today. This is our second try. Yesterday was not successful at all. We tried to get to Texas Canyon hike, but apparently it's all private property, so we couldn't hike there at all. So unfortunately it's not as sunny today, but it is warm. It's probably about 20 degrees. So we're gonna do a 3.9 mile hike in a loop. And tomorrow we're going to try something else, but I figure since today's the warmest, sunniest day of today and tomorrow, we would do the hike, and then tomorrow we'll do a little scenic drive.
Sounds good. So just to give you guys a perspective where we are, we're about 60 miles from Nogales, Mexico.
So we thought that was the end of our hike, right?
Yeah.
Turns out it's just for cattle.
Is it?
What's fun about this hike is that the path is very clearly marked, and it's not difficult at all. It's really easy, maybe a little too easy for us, but it's good for feet. It's a good walking trail, and there aren't very many places to walk feet near our campground. So this is a cute little hike. It does make me nervous that we're the only car there, so I brought all of our valuables with us. So I like to see other cars usually, but I mean, it's still early in the day and it's a Tuesday, so probably not too many people looking for a hike, but take a look at the trail. Fee, pretty good trail so far? Yeah. We like it so far. Okay, what is it that you're doing exactly?
I have a cavity and my teeth is hurting. My tooth is hurting. It's been over a month, so I'm trying to take a pictures to see if I could see anything. Oh, so funny.
Don't do it. Don't pull the trigger.
Let's see anything, man.
Oh my god, you guys are funny. I've never seen anything so funny.
I'm glad my pain amuses me. I ended up taking a pan over my mouth.
Oh my god, this is rich. The goals of prescribed fires in the San Pedro Riparian National Conservation Area are to reduce hazardous fuel loads to minimize potential damage to corridors from unwanted human-caused fires, to reduce mesquites, to increase grass and wildflower cover in upland area, and to conduct cool season burns to minimize potential harmful effects to fire-sensitive riparian species. And for the animals, it increases plant production following fire, so it provides fresh, green plant growth for food, maintains debris dams to reduce water velocity during floods, and it protects various habitats. It also creates and maintains a mosaic pattern of vegetation, which provides and supports habitat diversity. So in some cases, prescribed fires are essential to the life of conservation areas like this. So this is a fun discovery. This rock wall was once the back wall of a silver processing stamp mill. So this was one of 7 mills along the San Pedro that supported the 50 mines in the Tombstone Hills. So it's a pretty interesting piece of history that we stumbled across over here.
Not only it's flat, but it's very well marked. Like this trail. It's too bad we left a little late. I wish we would have left a little bit early and take our times instead of rushing, because the sun is going down pretty fast.
Guys, check that out. We just interrupted a bunch of deer drinking water and they just fled. They just scattered. Oh, it's too bad we didn't get the camera out in time. It was so cool. We saw their cute little white bottoms jumping and running, and now Fee's going bananas.
See, there's one there crossing.
Oh my god! How cool. You know, the first part of this hike was a little boring, but then we saw the wall, so that was interesting. But the second part of this hike is really what makes this hike worth it. Definitely. Even though it's an easy hike, and even maybe especially because it's an easy hike.
Yeah. I just wish we would have left an hour earlier.
We wouldn't have caught the deer.
You don't know? Looks like we got into a ghost town. Not sure if you see that building over there. It's a post office, but it's all fenced up.
Boarded up?
Boarded up and fenced up. There's a fence around it. Anybody home? Oops.